240 is the natural number following 239 and preceding 241. In mathematics, with 20 divisors total, more than any previous number, 240 is a highly composite number, and it is also a refactorable number or Tau number, since it has 20 divisors and 20 divides 240. And since it has 31 totient answers, more than any previous integer, 240 is a highly totient number. 240 is a semi-perfect number. 240 can be expressed as a sum of consecutive primes in two different ways. 240 equals 53 plus 59 plus 61 plus 67 equals 17 plus 19 plus 23 plus 29 plus 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43. It can also be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, 15 and 16. Thus 240 is a pronic number. Also, being divisible by the sum of its digits, 240 is a Harshad number, and not only that, it is also a concatenation of two of its proper divisors. E8 has 240 roots. There are 240 distinct solutions of the Soma cube puzzle. In other fields, 240 is a common voltage in the United Kingdom and Australia before conversion to 230 V standard. In pre-decimal British currency, the number of pence in a pound until 1971. A cholesterol level of 240 and above is considered high risk. The model number of the Convair 240. The year AD. 240 or 240 BC. Datsun 240Z. Mercedes 240D. Nissan 240SX. Volvo 240. An area code overlay of the 301 area code in Western Maryland. The famous skit by the sketch comedy group The State is entitled $240 worth of pudding. 241 to 249. 241 has its own article. 242 has its own article. 243 has its own article. 244 has its own article. Dialing code for Angola. 245 has its own article. Dialing code for Guinea-Bissau. 246 has its own article. 247 equals 1319. Pentagonal number. 247 equals 501234986, and is the smallest number which can be expressed as the difference between two integers such that together they contain all digits 0 to 9. Sometimes 247 is used as an alternative to 24/7, an abbreviation which means 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Approximate number of acres in a square kilometer. 248 equals 2331. Non-totient, untouchable number, refactorable number. E8 has complex dimension 248. The number 248 is also the gematria value for the Hebrew letters Ramish, traditionally depicted as the number of organs in the human body, and the number of positive commandments in the Torah.